In this video, I show you how to fix cannot start camera. Please restart your device problem on WhatsApp. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, check for WhatsApp update. If update available, then update. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference, then click on reset apps. Now search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear cache. Now click on permission, scroll down, then click on camera. Now allow while using the app. Now photo and videos, microphone, phone, contacts, call log. Now open WhatsApp. Now open camera. Now I hope that this method fix cannot start camera. Please restart your device WhatsApp problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.